3D printer model, basically what you have to do is, so you have to create a 3D file first, right? So using a 3D modeling software, in my case it is SolidWorks. So using a 3D modeling software, you have to create a 3D model. So in my case, I have created a 3D model of a fan blade, right? So it is the custom fan blade design which I have done. I'm doing a project, so I just want to check this out, what is the like how much effective this fan design is. So in order to do that, I want to do a prototype for this particular fan model, okay, for this fan blade. So to do the 3D printing, so you have to convert this into a proper format. So what happens is, a 3D printer, so for 3D printing you basically have to download a software called as Cura, right? It is a open source software. So this is Ultimaker Cura. So this is a open source software in which you can basically convert your 3D files into a G code for 3D printers. But before that, you have to convert this particular 3D file, which currently is in STP format, okay, sorry, SLDPRT format, which is SolidWorks format. So in order to transfer this file into Cura, you have to first convert it to STL format, right? So STL format is the format which basically understands. So it's a binary format in which your Cura software will understand the model. So this is how you can convert it and then save, right? So I have already saved this model. So what I am going to do is, I will open Cura, and then from this particular folder icon, I'll open the folder from where I want to print. So see, cooler fan design shaft dial 3.2, this is the file name which I had saved. So I will open it from here. See, you will see this 3D part onto your 3D printer bed. So actually the 3D printer settings are already done into this particular software. So the 3D printer which I have is Ender 3, right? So for that settings are already done. So I have imported the 3D CAD inside, that is the step file. Now what I want to do is, I want to revert this thing. Cool. Yeah, this has worked. Now we have to again bring it to center by making the coordinates as 0. So now the model is on the center, right? Now what we have to do is, we have to click on this slice option. So when we click on this slice option, then it is converted into G code basically. See? Okay. So if we see, okay, you can see the 3D. So you can basically, it is trying, the graphics is trying to represent the 3D printed form of this particular CAD. So on the bottom you can see lots of these supports, right? So these supports are in order to support the 3D printing part, because if you don't provide these supports, then 3D printer will simply start like printing, or injecting its material in on the air, and because of the absence of any support, that will not like take shape. So in that manner, your whole model will be disrupted. So we have this particular model ready, and it is showing us that it will take 8 hours and 17 minutes to print this particular model, and the material that will be used to print this is 56 grams, right? Now what we have to do is, we have to save to file. So what we will do, we'll save it, right? See, CE3 cooler fan design shaft dial 3.2, we will save this. So this way I have saved my G code file. Now what we have to do, you have to transfer this particular file to the 3D printer's memory. So there is a in Ender 3 model, there is a memory card chip inside that. So what I will do, I will bring that memory card, put it into my computer, and then transfer this particular file to that memory card, and then again put that memory card into the 3D printer. So let us see. So this is my 3D printer. This is Ender 3. So we have this memory card here. See this area right here, right? I'll take this out. Okay, so here it is. Yeah, so this is the memory card. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put it into my PC. So this is the card reader on which I am inserting this memory card. I have inserted the memory card. See, I've got the memory card open. Now simply what I will do is I'll open that folder, engineering experiments, first one, right? This we have selected this. We'll copy this and we'll go to removal disk and we'll Control V. So we can see that the file is being copied. Okay, eject. So memory card I have ejected from here. Now I can take the memory card out. Okay, again put this memory card inside this 3D printer. See, this is there in the 3D printer. Now what I have to do is now I have to prepare this 3D printer for printing. So the first step is to so if your bed is leveled, right? So if let's say if this bed is leveled, that is it's not imbalanced, so it's properly aligned, then what you have to do, you have to put glue here, right? You have to put glue on the surface of this whole bed, so that when this nozzle, when this 3D, so here the nozzle is, right? See, so this 3D printer's nozzle, it ejects this material into a molten form. So what happens when this nozzle will move around this bed, so it has to stick with the bed. So if you don't provide the glue, it will not stick and your model will be distorted, whatever it is printing. So that for that you have to ensure that you have to put the glue. So I have the glue. So for the glue which I am using is from Amazon Basics. I am also trying this for first time. So this is a glue stick. Okay, so this is the glue stick. So what I am going to do is from this glue stick I will spread the glue onto the whole surface of the 3D printer, right? Okay, so we'll apply glue. Okay, so I have applied glue. Now what I have to do is I have to select the model, okay, and then give it the command to print. So in this Ender, basically you give command using this knob. You have this rotary knob you have. So I'll go to print from TF, and then the file we have just copied into it, so it is showing on the first one only, the cooler fan design. I'll press this knob, and then what is happening is first the bed will heat up, right? So this bed also is heated up, and the nozzle also gets heated up, because until the nozzle gets heated up, it will not be able to eject the material out of it. So if you see on the top, So this 50 is the target temperature of the bed. So this bed will heat up to 50 degrees Celsius, right? And after that, let's see, it will come to be 200 degrees Celsius, the nozzle temperature. So first bed will achieve its target temperature, then nozzle will start heating up. See, it's 50 now, it will stop heating up right now, and basically it will maintain 50 degrees Celsius. And see, now this is 200 degrees Celsius, so this means that now nozzle will actually heat up to 200 degrees Celsius. So you can see the jump in temperature right now, going 59, 62, 65. You can understand from there. It's about to be completed, the target temperature of the nozzle. So let's see, when it gets 200 degrees Celsius, then we'll see the 3D printer axis will start moving. See, there is a noise of these stepper motors, so it is going to its home position right now. So the temperature is already there, 50 and 200. 50 is of the bed and 200 is for nozzle, right? And if you see the nozzle, you can see the melted metal there, if it is visible. Sorry, it's quite dark. Okay, so it has aligned itself into its original position, and now the print has started. Okay, so let's see how it will proceed. I will just so see, it has started ejecting the molten metal, and now it will print the desired part which we have fed into the memory card. So after 8 hours basically this will be completed, so we will have to be patient for this. So let it get printed, then we will come back. So this part is completed. %100 done. Okay.